Hello guys, so this year up till now we haven't seen much from Lenovo, but this month they are going to launch a gaming smartphone under the new Legion gaming lineup. The design is actually a beautiful concept, but the phone is supposed to be used mainly in landscape mode and is pretty helpful if you are streaming games or generally play games for long duration of time. Recently, as part of a promotional campaign to promote this new smartphone on the market, a video was released with the unboxing of the device. And although the box looks original, the phone inside is actually the Lenovo Z6 Pro, the company's flagship smartphone from last year. So all in all, he merely showed the official box and nothing much. That said, yesterday company teased dual-haptic motors for a more immersive gaming experience. The Lenovo Legion will use dual X-axis linear motors, which should add new levels to in-game vibrating feedback. Now, according to the previous information, the Lenovo Legion should offer a 90Hz refresh rate, although some believe it will get 144Hz display. So we have to wait some more to know exactly what the display situation is. In addition, we should have a larger heatsink with a dual heat pipe partition and temperature control sensors. Also, a Snapdragon 865 or 865 Plus chip and two USB Type-C ports should arrive alongside stereo speakers. Talking about the camera segment, there is a dual rear camera setup led by a 64 megapixel primary sensor. In addition, we have a 16 megapixel secondary sensor. Whereas for selfie, there is a side mounted pop-up camera with 20 megapixel sensor. And the highlight of the phone, the 90 watt fast charging. Yeah, it will be making its way to this phone with the battery size expected to be 5000 mAh. This phone, like every other gaming phone, will get lots of accessories, and since the phone will be launching this month, you better subscribe for more such updates. Anyways, thank you for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.